All right, so you're going to start obviously by going to Moxi Engage. Once you are in there, you're going to, oh, my computer's doing something weird. Once you're in there, you're going to go to campaigns up here on the top right. And then we're going to go ahead and click on add from library, this blue button that's on the right. Now, once we're in here, a couple different ways to do this, but we're going to go ahead and go to eBlasts, that middle option. And then we're going to click on the second, well, this should be the second option, start a new eBlast here. We're going to click on add to campaigns on the right. Now, once you do that, you'll notice that both next to eBlasts and my emails, there's a green circle. We're going to click on my emails. Once you do that, you're going to click on that first option that says select your email template from the drop down below. And this is where you're actually going to design the email. So you're going to edit how it is set up. You can edit your subject line here. You can edit your preview text here. If you want to include the header, footer, or signature that you have set up, you can design that here as well. And then if you scroll down, you can actually edit your email content here. So if you want to start dragging and dropping and building things from scratch, you can do that. It's designed pretty user-friendly to do that, but of course we can help if you need help. Or you can go up here to change template, and you can select one of the templates that they have here. So let's say you're doing, a listing promotion, you could click on that one. If you're just doing a holiday one and you don't want to use the Coldwell Banker templates, you could do that. Neighborhood newsletter, there's a really good template here for that. So we're going to just do a listing promotion one. And even from that, obviously, you're going to have to swap out the logo, add all the details for the listing. But once you have all of that done, we're going to go ahead and click continue over here on the right side. And I want to edit the name. So this is the name. But I want to edit that name so it's something that I can remember. So I'm going to do the address and then listing promotion. And I'm going to save that. And then I'm just going to click save over here on the top right. So once you have all the design part drilled down, we're going to go back over to eBlasts. And we're going to click on start a new eBlast here. So this portion, when you're actually in the eBlast setup, this portion is really just, you're not able to edit anything other than the list of people that are going to receive the campaign, when it goes out, and which template that you're using. So once you've set up who you want to receive the campaign, you can go over here to change eBlast and just select from the drop down. You'll select the one that you just created, but if there's any other emails that you've designed, those will show up in here as well. And then once you've done that, you'll click save, and then you'll move on from there. So hopefully that explains it, but if you need additional help, we can hop on a Zoom call or a Google Meet and kind of walk you through it step by step.